So in this video we are going to be creating this lady's slide you are seeing on your screen right now. So as usual, after masking the last, we draw our center line. Then after drawing our center line, we are going to start our drawing from the line. You see there's a line running through the toe, so we start from that line. So draw the line from the other feather edge to the other side. And then after doing that, the next thing we are going to do is to take a measurement. We're going to take a measurement from here to somewhere here, 4 inches. 4 inches measurement. Then after that, the next thing we are going to do is to pick another measurement from here to somewhere here, 0.7 inch. 0.7 inch. So we mark, then we come up from here to here, another 0.7 inch. So we mark. So now we pick our line from that measurement, then take it towards the center line. Now this line is going to go after the center line a bit. So cross the center line and then give it a curve, a slight curve at that point. Then after doing that, the next thing we do, we pick a measurement from here down to this point, 2 inches. That's from that our instep point. That's 4 inches we measured. Pick a measurement from the center line down to this point, 2 inches. So 2 inches here. From here down here, 2 inches. So now we're going to join that 2 inches to this curve here. So watch what I'm going to do. So I'm going to place my measuring tape this way, and then I'm going to join the two together. So you see what we have. Now we are going to proceed to the next step. Now what we're going to do from here, remember to this point is 3 inches. There's a line here. So from here to here, 3 inches. You see the white line. So now we'll place our measuring tape on this side. Then cross it on that 4 inches on the instep down to the other side of the feather edge, and then we are going to join it with a line. So we join the both sides with a line. So after doing that, the next thing we do is that we are going to take another measurement from here to somewhere here. We're going to take 1.2 inches from this curve 1.2 inches, then we pick our drawing from that first line at the front here, then pick it through that measurement, 1.1 inch measurement with a curve, then come up with the curve, bring it up, and now you're going to repeat the 0.7 inch measurement from here to here, 0.7, then take another one here too. So let's do that, 0.7 inch measurement. So after that, bring the line and then take it through those two measurements. Take it that way, then at this point we stop and then bring a curve, then take a measurement from the instep here down here, another 0.7 inch, 0.7 inch, that's from that 4 inches at the instep point, so 0.7 inch. So once we have taken that measurement, we take our curve through that point. So now we are going to take another 0.7 inch measurement from here to here, and then from here to here, so that we'll be able to run the line down to correspond with the first line. So 0.7 inch here, then come down, and then take another 0.7 inch, and then you bring the line down through that measurement down to the feather edge. Then from here down to somewhere here, we take 1 inch measurement, 1 inch from that curve. So that's where the next curve is going to come from, 1 inch measurement. So pick it from this line here, run it through that measurement and join it to this line, this second line here. Join it to the second line here. So we have the final curve. So we have to clean off this one. So we have our curve. Now what we're going to do next, take measurement from here to here, 0.7, from here to here, 0.7 inch. So that will bring the line down, the second line. That will go down to the feather edge. So 0.7 inch into 2 places, and then you run the line down through that measurement. After that, we come over to this side, do the same, take a measurement, see our line here, from here to somewhere here, 0.7 inch, and then we run a line down through that measurement too. So with that, we are done with the sketching. So this is just the part 1. You see what we have. So we are going to proceed to cut it out from the last. So that's the next thing we are going to do. So watch closely to see how I'm going to cut, because it is very important. I'm not going to cut on the center line, and I'm not going to cut on any of the lines. So what I'm going to do is just to cut before the lines, just to watch closely. So look what I did. I cut through here down to this point, cut from here like this, come down, and then cut here, come to this side, cut from here like this, come up, come down, then cut here and cut here. That's all. So we're going to pull it out from the last, prepare our cardboard paper. So once we have peeled it out from the last, we paste it on our cardboard paper. So we're going to make sure we avoid too much crease. So carefully make sure the pattern laps flat on the cardboard paper. Now you have to pay close attention because we're going to make a lot of corrections here. So first of all, we're going to start from the curves. So here I'm going to make use of my French curves to make some adjustments on the curves. So watch closely. So I'm going to make sure this line here is a bit straight. So I'm going to make sure it is straight. So after retaking the line, I have to retake my measurement to make sure the 0.7 inch is still intact. So if it is not, we have to also retake the second line. So I'm going to clean off the first line, the one that is not needed. I'm going to clean it off. So this is our new line here. So we check the curves, clean this one. So we check the curves with our French curve. So how to use this French curve is to find the closest curve to what you have on the drawing. So you just use it to improve the curves. So you know we made the curves with freehand. So with this French curve, you can be able to get accurate curve. So we are going to bring down this particular line a bit, so it is going to be a little bit down from the other side. So bring it down a bit here. So see what I did there? So now take your measurement from that point 0.7, make sure it is corresponding. So it is still corresponding. Let's clean the first line. So you see where the line is. So you see the curve here, you see? So it has to be a little bit down away from the curve to give it that beauty. So coming down to this point here, we need to also make it a straight line. So I'm going to use my angle 90 ruler, place it on the center line to make sure the line we're going to take, the horizontal line we're going to take, is straight. So we don't need that curve at the front there, we need it to be straight. So after that, after taking the straight line, we are going to clean off the first line, which is the curve. So from this new line, we are going to retake our measurement, 0.7 inch measurement. So here is the 0.7 inch. And from that point, we are going to extend the second line. So first of all, extend this, and then place your ruler here and extend this one here. So we extend this one and then extend this too. So extend all the lines so that we can be able to add our lasting allowance. So now the next thing we are going to do is to add our lasting allowance, and I'm going to be adding 1.5 inches on all the straps. So after that, the next thing we do is to cut it into shape. So after cutting it into shape, this is what we have. So you cut your marking. That's the facing of the pattern. Now we try it out on the last to see what it looks like. And this is what we have arrived at. So you cut your marking dot at this point here, you see it, and then cut your marking dot here so that you can be able to mark out this part. You understand? So you see the marking dot. So that is all for this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and also Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get updates because more videos will be coming your way. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.